My name is Bilal Khan Afridi and I'm the co-founder and COO of Creative 3D Private Limited. So we're basically one of the contestants of NIB 3 and we were in the top 5 startups who got selected for the provincial round. Alhamdulillah. So basically our startup, we manufacture 3D printers and provide 3D printing services. While providing 3D printing services, we focus on solving the problems of the masses using 3D printing technology. So to solve these problems that people face specifically in the field of medical, we have introduced two specific items using 3D printing technology. One is dental aligners. So basically these are going to align your teeth perfectly, solving the problem of 57% malocclusion that the entire world is facing for. Secondly, we are using 3D printed fracture cast that's going to reduce a lot of problems like they're not breathable, they're not attachable, you get rashes after using it, you can't use water. So 3D printed cast solve these problems. So we look forward to winning this competition and going to Silicon Valley with our idea. We would like to thank NIB National Idea Bank for giving us this opportunity and platform to represent our ideas not only on a national level but international level as well. So thank you NIB for that.